Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So recently Microsoft launched Windows 11 22H2 launch. So guys, do not install this update because lot of bug and lot of issues are available 22 and H2. Okay, so USB problem, task manager is not opening, USB is not detecting, and uh, Ryzen processor full CPU using. Okay, so lot of issues in this updates and installations errors 0800F0806. So Microsoft working on this update solve the issues. NVIDIA's CPU GPU issues. Actually, another major bugs discovered in 22 version was effective NVIDIA graphic card. So result CPU used to as well as more high. Okay, and remote desktop connection issues that is not working 22H2s. Okay, printing issues. Some PC use are hard. Actually, when they come to corrupted responsibility, missing Windows files, having troubleshoot fix on error, your system may be practically broken. So kernel security check failed. This is actually it's okay. Yeah guys, okay, so if you install it's okay, but now do not update your systems because many bugs launch from Microsoft, and Microsoft also working on these updates and troubleshoot and find out the problems. Okay.